In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox error code 103. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the 103 error occurs when you're trying to play Roblox on Xbox, so let's go through how to actually resolve this problem. So here we are, as you can see, on Roblox.com. Now, the reason this occurs is generally because the game is not compatible on Xbox. So for example, if I come up to the top, and what I'm going to do is search for an experience called Blade Ball. And when I go ahead and press onto the Blade Ball experience, on some of the games, it's going to tell you what devices this is compatible on. So you can see down here, it says play Blade Ball on any device. You can see we got a phone, a picture of a laptop and a controller, which means we can play this one on Xbox. Now, of course, if you cannot play this game, then what you're going to want to do is play it on a different device, like for example, your PC or mobile device, but there's not actually a fix for this at the moment. It's just the case that not all games on Roblox currently are compatible with Xbox. So if you're experiencing the error 103, which comes up on Xbox when you're trying to play a Roblox game, what you're going to have to do is basically try and play this on a different device, such as a PC or mobile device. And that's how to go ahead and fix the Roblox error code 103. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.